little ones, it's time for another wonderful story. A pot of soup is placed on a stove in the center of the table, surrounded by plates of raw ingredients. Sitting around the table are happy diners dropping their favorite ingredients into the boiling soup and fishing them out when they are done. The cooked food is then dipped into a variety of specially blended sauces before it is enjoyed. This is a common sight when hotpot is served. Sichuan-style spicy hotpot is easily recognized by its fiery red soup, hot chilies, and spicy Sichuan peppercorns. Beijing-style hotpot often uses a copper Mongolian pot that features a chimney in the middle and uses thinly sliced mutton as the main ingredient. Yunnan-style wild mushroom hotpot is a great option for vegetarians. Hainan-style hotpot features tender chicken pieces and fresh coconut water from the tropical island province itself. Canton-style hotpot features lots of different seafood, for which there are many different soup bases to choose from.